Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. What we have for you today is this here Stewart Spector designed and built in. Is this a check? I don't remember if this is a check or not. We'll find out in the next video. What happened here is someone's friend decided to try to adjust the neck because they knew exactly what they're doing. Well, what they were doing is 100% stripping out that truss rod nut. So, our job is going to be to tear this whole thing apart, pull the fingerboard off, pull the truss rod out, get a new truss rod, put a new truss rod in, and then put it back together. So stay tuned. This is going to be interesting. See ya. So, there you have it. Don't let your buddy work on your guitars. We have a truss rod on order, and when it gets in, we'll do a part 2 of this video, and then we'll get it installed, glued up, tuned up, set up, and then we're going to send it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. See ya!